I hope you're doing well and enjoying your holidays. And in case you have any holiday events coming up, I thought that this would be a great time to share 10 things you can wear for any festive or not so festive, whatever the case may be, holiday occasion. And it's 10 things and not outfits, because they're actually 7 outfits and 3 manicures. Because manicures are also a nice little way to be more festive during the holiday season. So I thought that it would be nice to share some of those too. Well, let's jump right in. This first outfit makes use of one of my favorite color combinations, which is red and black. Now, in this outfit, I'm wearing a long black pleated skirt, which is made dressier by the fact, well, that it is long, and I find long skirts to be a little dressier than shorter ones, and also the fact that it is a little shimmery. And the red portions of the outfit are my red top, and that is matched by my red pair of boots. Now, the top is sheer, and I am wearing it over a black bralette, but if you want more coverage, you could always wear a sheer top over a black tank top, or even over a black long sleeve shirt. That would be an interesting layering look. And of course, it would provide you with a little bit more warmth, since wearing a sheer top over a bralette doesn't really give you a lot of coverage for the winter season. But if you are going to be at an indoor event, then that might not be a problem. Like, it wasn't a problem when I wore this outfit. And now we have a manicure. And this one is a New Year's themed manicure. And here I went with the decals in the black and gold color scheme with a little bit of white. And with snowflakes and a clock, I want to say, on the thumbnail, to sort of help with the New Year's theme. The theme of new beginnings or time passing, however you want to look at it. And the nails where I didn't use the decals, I used a textured white polish. Now, I know textured polishes haven't been around that much lately, but you can probably still find them on eBay. If you do like them, that is. I know most people hated them, but I really like them, so I've kept the few that I own and periodically use them. In this case, I was going for the wintry, snowy look, hence the textured white polish. But when I was done, my husband made the suggestion that I should add a little bit of extra sparkle to the white nails, since they looked a little bit plain next to the more fancy decals. So they have a little bit of gold on them, and I rather like the result. So if you're looking for some ideas for your New Year's manicure, you can always go with the black, gold, and white color scheme. It's a classic. And those colors tend to work really well together anyways. Now, if you have any really formal events coming up, you're probably going to have to wear a fancier dress or a gown, like I'm wearing in this outfit. Or, of course, you don't need a fancy occasion to dress up if you enjoy doing so. For example, I'm always chronically overdressed, and I kind of like it that way. I mean, yes, it does make me feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it also makes me happy, so I can survive the discomfort. Plus, it does fade slowly over time. So if you're someone who likes to dress up but feels like you have no occasion to do so, then just dress up for any occasion and see how it goes. Especially if you're with people that care about you and know that it makes you feel good, then they should support you. And in time, they will get used to the fact that you are overdressed for many occasions. At least that's what happened with me. Anyways, in this particular outfit, I'm actually pairing my long dress with a pair of boots, because I wanted to add a little bit of warmth to the outfit, but of course, if you have a more formal event, then you'll probably want to stick to dressier shoes like heels or a dressier pair of flats, which is what I would have worn if I was going to a more formal party in this dress. Moving on, and in this outfit we have the same skirt that was in the first look that I showed you earlier. But this time the color combination is black and gray, not black and red. And this is actually another combination that I really like, but for an entirely different reason. It's a combination of two neutral colors, and it always works well together, so it's a great go-to color combination. And in this case, the black elements are the skirt, the blazer, and the pair of shoes, which are a little bit sparkly, or rather a lot sparkly, and add a little bit of extra drama to the outfit. And as I've already mentioned, I am chronically overdressed, so I like a little bit of extra drama in most of my outfits, especially when they are related to the holidays. As for the gray, that comes in the form of my gray and black striped top and a gray belt to match the gray in the top. And we have another manicure, but this one is a Christmas themed manicure, also with decals, and this time I used full nail decals on all of my nails with Christmas ornaments and pine trees. a very Christmassy theme. But because I wanted to add a little bit of extra sparkle, I added silver foils to the tips of each nail. And beyond the extra sparkle, I also thought that it added a more frosty, snowy sort of look to the manicure, which is perfect for a manicure that is meant to represent a winter holiday, like Christmas. Now this next outfit is a monochrome look. And monochrome looks are a great way to put together an outfit without having to think too much about it, and always having that outfit work well. There's just something about monochrome that makes a look more elegant, no matter what color scheme you use or what kind of outfit you put together. Within reason, of course, but generally that is the case. Here I went for a monochrome jewel-toned blue because I find jewel-toned colors to be generally dressy and I like to wear them for the holidays. And here I'm wearing a blue dress, a blue bomber jacket, and a blue pair of over-the-knee boots for an entirely blue outfit. There's one more notable thing about this outfit, and that is the fact that the dress is actually velvet. And I mention this because I really like to wear velvet dresses in the winter, because velvet is quite a warm fabric, so it really makes you feel cozier during the cold season. Just perfect for holiday parties and events, especially if you get cold, like I do all the time, even in the summer, but especially in the winter. Of course, can't have holiday outfits without sequins. And this time, the sequins are a sequin dress. Generally, the easiest way to wear sequins is in fact as a sequin dress. It's really great for days when you have absolutely no energy to put towards putting an outfit together and just want something simple to grab. That doesn't just apply to a sequin dress, it applies to pretty much any dress, which is one of the reasons why I love to wear dresses. They are so easy. And rather than jeans and a t-shirt or jeans and a sweater, on my off days I actually tend to reach for a dress. I'm not sure if you can hear that sound, by the way. It's very cold outside and that's pretty much the wind kind of shoving the trees together, so sorry if you can hear it. There's not really anything I can do about it. Anyways, back to the outfit. As much as I love dresses, barring the long sleeve versions, short sleeve dresses tend to be a little chilly for the winter season, even the winter parties. Unless of course you're going to be very warm and toasty indoors. But if that is not the case, then you could always wear your dress with a cozy cardigan. In this particular outfit, I'm wearing my sequin dress with a brown teddy cardigan to really keep it all warm and toasty, and matching the brown colors in the cardigan with a pair of brown boots. If the event you are going to is a more formal one, then you could always ditch the cardigan and wear a blazer instead to dress it up a little bit, or a nice shawl or scarf. And if you know me or have followed me for a little while, then you know that I love sequins, so I couldn't leave this video with just one sequin outfit. There has to be more. And this time the outfit has a sequin skirt. And in this particular outfit, I wanted the sequin skirt to be the statement piece. So I kept the rest of the outfit fairly simple and neutral. For example, I'm wearing a black sweater with a beige scarf and sort of greenish beige boots and a rose gold puffer jacket. Just generally a very neutral color palette. Maybe except for the rose gold jacket, but due to all the other warm tones in the outfit, I thought that it blended in fairly well. And of course the outfit is quite warm and cozy. Not as cozy as the one that I'm about to show you next. And that is another outfit with the same skirt, but a much cozier and more casual version. This time the sequin skirt really is the only dressy piece in the outfit, with the rest of the outfit being very casual, including a cozy sweater, a very cozy parka, cozy boots, and cozy socks for that extra layer of warmth. I think you're starting to see a theme for this look. It's all about the warmth and coziness rather than the dressiness. But that's perfect for a more casual winter occasion. And I think that in general, wearing a very cozy and casual outfit with one dressy statement element is a great way to dress up a very casual look and still stay very comfortable and warm and not overdressed for most occasions, like I am most of the time. But if you don't want to be overdressed, then you can always just go for one statement piece, whether that is a statement skirt like the sequin skirt I'm wearing, a statement top, a statement necklace or pair of earrings, maybe even a ring or bracelet or something. Anything really that will make the outfit just a little bit more dressy, if you want to be a little bit more dressy for any holiday occasion, or just an average holiday day when you want to feel a little bit more festive. And we have reached the end, and the final thing that I'm going to talk about is another set of nails. For Christmas, not New Year's. These are definitely Christmas nails. And this set is based around the Santa and reindeer decals with a sort of red and green toned color scheme. And I went with that same color scheme for the rest of my manicure, by pairing those decals with a sort of red-toned berry-colored polish and adding green-toned Swarovski crystals on top of that for that extra glamour and sparkle, since it is a holiday manicure, so why not go with the sparkle Swarovski crystals? And that was it for the holiday outfits and nails that I wanted to share with you today. I hope that you liked this video and that you got some ideas for your holiday events, or just if you want to be festive on a regular day. Hopefully if you're still here, then you like this video, so I should probably take the time to introduce myself. My name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I post a video, usually every Friday, although my holiday schedule has been a little off due to me being pretty sick, which... moving on, let's not taint this video with bad vibes. But anyways, usually I post a video every Friday, mostly related to fashion and nails. And if you like that kind of content and want to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing. And if you liked this particular video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really, really means the world to me. I would really appreciate it. You can consider it your holiday gift to me if you choose to do so. Again, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and the happiest New Year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!